Do you like individual sports, like running or golf? Do you find sometimes that your head isn't in the right place to achieve your best? Well, I've got a great mindset switch today, really to put you back in the right place so that you can achieve more. Hi, I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach with 28 years experience, and I'm looking forward to working with sports people in order to help them to achieve more. Are you an individual sports person? Well, first of all, you're very, very lucky to only have yourself to think about out there. The thing with that is if our mind isn't in the right place to win, we may not. So I'm going to give you a few mindset switches here that are going to help you to become more of a success in the sports that you've chosen, whether it's marathon running, whether it's bodybuilding, whether it's golfing, but to get your mindset in the right place. The good thing is it's all about you now. So I'd like you to record your successes. Successes and achievements from the past. You will have them in all spheres of your life. It doesn't just have to be sports. And have them in front of you so you're constantly aware of pictures of you achieving things, maybe medals you've won, maybe trophies you've won, or even just pictures of you as you cross the finishing line, for example. Have them around you all the time, and remember, keep them in mind because you can do this. It will switch your mindset back into a more positive place. So you feel that you can achieve it. You can actually get to the end and do the best that you can do. Be your best. Achieve your best. If you can get yourself thinking about what you've done in the past, your own successes, because you've succeeded before, you can go out there and achieve your best. I would love you to leave your comments on your successes and your achievements. Did you complete a marathon? Did you win a bodybuilding competition? Have you succeeded in something you're really proud of? Please leave your comments below. I'd be really interested. I've got some great ideas to help you in sports, help you succeed, and sometimes help you to win. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to pick these videos up.